everyone, today I'm gonna try Laffy taffy with favorite banana mukbang challenge. So guys, this is gonna be my Laffy taffy candy with favorite banana mukbang challenge. So this is gonna be my mukbang challenge. So you can see here. Oh, it's so sticky. I'm gonna open it from here. It smells like bananas. It's so well. Okay, I'm gonna throw this trash away. Now I'm gonna eat my Laffy taffy banana. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes like bananas. This does taste like bananas. So good. Okay guys, do you guys also like this Laffy taffy? But guys, do you guys like this candy? Just leave me in the comments and I'll see you. So, bye bye.